What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Banff. Got a festival going on today. It's June 24th. We're going to go straight down Banff Avenue here. Let's check out this whole city, town, village, downtown. You can see that beautiful mountain right there, Cascade Mountain. Lots of buses. So yeah, they got this live band playing. That's pretty cool. It's currently 7 p.m. on a Friday, actually. We're coming up onto the city center here. Banff is an awesome city, town. I've actually been hiking. All right, back across the street. You can actually walk here without worrying about getting hit by a car. Just a bus. Only buses can go through here. There's another look at that mountain. I'll be giving you several views of that, because that's what you get to see out here. I ate at Boston Pizza earlier. It's big in there. It's actually a big restaurant. Let me get over to the other side of the road here. We're actually gonna finish this walking tour down by the river, the boat river. There's actually like a chateau castle, kind of on the way to Fairmont. I got a faux house. Vietnamese. I might just do that. Here's the view that everyone's taking the picture of. And you can see why. Let's see what's up with this Vietnamese restaurant. There's actually a college here. I was just up there. It's like a school for imagination, creativity, as they call it. I'm gonna go in here and eat some food. Let's see what they got. That looks really good. Cool. And I got some tan soup. Look just like the picture. Perfect. Okay, so I just enjoyed that meal. I do recommend it. It's called Chopsticks. It's a Park Avenue Mall, though. Give you a great view here. Down the road. That festival is still going. We're headed towards that castle-looking structure down there. That's actually where the river is. Oh, look at Grizzly House Steak and Fondue. Cool. There's another awesome mountain over there called Tunnel Mountain. Melissa's mistake. Look at all that. Lots of dessert and sweets. This is another main road here called Caribou Street. Rocks and Gems, Canada. Oh, Canada. Mount Royal Hotel. The Spirit of Christmas. If you guys are enjoying this walking tour so far, please hit the likes. Consider subscribing to the channel also. I just bought a base layer at North Face there. It is a bit chilly today. I think it's been in like the low 60s, maybe high 50s. It would rain and then warm up and the sun would come out, and then it looked like it was going to stay rainy all day. Give you a nice view of the Cascade Mountain there. Wow. Amazing, huh? Actually, after I ate there, I definitely burned some time. 7:48. It gets dark around like 10 out here. McDonald's, that's where I got my my coffee. They got a bowling alley right there called High Rollers. I think it's like underground. I haven't been there yet. That area there is called Clock Tower Village Mall. I would say if you can get your hands on a bike and get your butt on a bike seat, that's how you see Banff. Very bike friendly town. Especially as you get off the downtown area, you'll notice there's a lot of paths and many people riding bikes. Yeah, we've basically gone all through Banff here. And now we are coming up to the river. This is the Bow River. It actually connects to Calgary, this river. It's a lot more strong up here though. Seems like it slows down by the time it gets down to Calgary. Banff Park Museum. There's a huge resort over here called the Fairmont. The building itself was built in, I think, the 1900s. And if that thing was built in the 1900s, it had to have rivaled the likes of the Empire State Building in terms of just massive. I mean, even by today's standards, they don't build structures like that. It's that impressive. Something's scaring those birds. Oh, it's a dog. I was like, what is that, a bear? Nope, it's just a dog. Oh. He must have got away. But yeah, there's Tunnel Mountain. There's like a school right there. So this whole road that we've walked is basically Banff Avenue. And this is the Bow River. There's actually like a museum over there. That's a cool structure. Let's go over to the other side. That's a pedestrian bridge over there on the other side of the road. If I go over there, that'll take me over towards the Fairmont, which I'll include in my travel guide. At least something like the outside around there. You see the pedestrian bridge in Tunnel Mountain. In the background is that college. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Watch some more of these other videos from around Canada. I went to Victoria, Vancouver, watched some of those, Calgary, and then I'll head east towards Toronto, Montreal, Quebec, and maybe even Nova Scotia.